dad's channel.
Today he's going to be teaching me how to do makeup. I don't know what to do with it.
And if you don't remember this lovely face, this is Siobhan. We've done a video with her before.
Okay. Bye.
Link in the description below. So let's get started. Bowling, what a mess.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I've known Josh for 11 years, I think. 11 years, 12 years? It's been a while. I'm sorry, Josh. I'm talking really quiet. Oh my gosh, it's huge!
What kind of brow do you want today? Do you want a natural?
Yes.
So for our brows today, we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in shade Soft Brown.
I've watched all his videos because I'm such a good friend. Okay. Oh my word! The $10. $10 to go on a ride once. Woo! I look like an idiot. Yeah.
Now that her eyebrows have been filled in, I'm going to take some concealer, pop it on the back of my hand and not straight on her face because this is a sanitary, I don't know the word, but it's one that hasn't touched her face in its whole life, so I'm trying to keep it that way because I'm trying to be a makeup artist, and if you want to book me, let me know. Email will be in the description.
Guys, I have no idea what I look like at this moment. And I don't think I'm going to find out till he's finished. Is that correct?
Most likely.
Yeah, okay. I don't know what you're doing. Oh, that's my little cut. Is it not?
Yes.
I got hit in the head with a ball. So I have a cut on the side of my face. Where my hat hit my head. Not the ball, my hat. How does that happen? I was walking to go off the field and someone threw the ball and was like aiming in the goal, and I was walking past the goal and the ball hit me in the head. I was lucky it didn't kill me, honestly. It hit me really close to my temple. Isn't it if you like get hit in the temple you die? You can get, I don't know.
I don't know, don't ask me. Now we're starting off with eyes, so I'm taking more of the concealer as a shadow base.
It's so big.
It was small.
That's what she said. Oh, fun fact. I'm like the most innocent person. Like everyone will start saying it's like a really dirty joke and I won't understand it. I'll be like, what?
So now that I've primed her eyes, I'm going to take some foundation powder and go straight under her brow bone to only set that area.
What?
So today we're going to use the Tartelette in Bloom palette. No, this one.
Ah.
And then we're going to go in with Smarty Pants. She's confused.
Why does it do that?
What do you mean?
Just like falls out. Oh, I know what that is. That's called fallout, isn't it?
So I'm just starting off with taking that and dabbing it into the crease. And then using windshield wiper motions. And then circular motions to blend it all in.
Yeah. I really didn't like her sister though. Her sister was awful. She just came in and stole them.
So now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending that out even more. God, shut up. So now that the transition shade is down, I'm going to go in with Jet Setter, which is the one right above Smarty Pants. Little windshield wiper motions. And then starting to do little circular motions to blend that in. Dab, dab, dab.
Make your nails fab. Christine, the science queen. Is that how she says it?
Christine, the science queen. Christine, the science queen.
And then, now, we're going to dab into Sweetheart and a little bit of Rebel. And put that in the outer V.
I always thought the outer V was closer to the lash line.
Well, I mean, you do you. And then repeat on the same side.
Other side.
Shut up. Dabbing that in. Blending that across.
Make your nails fab.
Shut up.
Do you guys have any movie recommendations? Like okay, I have a birthday coming up and I need movie recommendations. Yeah, if you like Netflix And you got any movie recommendations, let us know.
Now that that shade, all of those are on, I'm going to go in and define the outer V area and make it, her eyes look a little bigger and more defined with a darker shade, which is the shade Leader from the same palette. So we're doing a cut crease on her because she asked for one.
Yeah.
So I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand and this little brush here.
Welcome back.
So I don't know, the camera just shut off and I don't know how much you guys missed, but we've cut her crease. Now we're doing the lid. So I'm taking a small little packer brush, spraying that and then going in with, I'm gonna do shade Rocker.
I don't know.
Okay, now that that base lid shade is down, I'm gonna go in with Funny Girl, which is gold shade, and put that on the inner corner.
Yay!
Give the eye some dimension.
This is like the only thing I know what to do. I just like slap like the prettiest shade into the sides of my eyes. Corners of my eyes. And I'm good. And I'll be like, I'm awake. I look awake. Is it bad that I do concealer before I do my eyes? No?
I just like to do eyes before everything else because of fallout. So now I'm just going in with the NYX, that's the point eyeliner. Jokes, the camera cut out. That's...
Eyes feel so weird. My eyes feel weird. I want to talk to my friends, but I don't want to see my makeup. Oh, cool. The camera turned around anyway. Wee streaks. 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 I have no friends.
Okay, now that her eyes are kind of done, I'm gonna start with her base. So I'm gonna start with a stick foundation. This one's from NYX. You don't like this jacket, do you?
I do. I do.
Stop it!
Oh, you're doing concealer now?
Yes.
I know how to do this, and that's about it. I don't know how to do foundation, bronzer, concealer. Wait, what? Bronzer, concealer, what's it? Contour. I can't do it without spelling. It's so wet. It's setting powder.
Correct. And the camera shut off again. Don't know how much is there again. Surprise, surprise. So now I'm going in with powder contour. Okay, contour's done. Now we move on to blush.
I don't
You don't
use
usually wear makeup. And then we do highlight.
Whoa!
Wow!
Food just brings me such happiness. I don't know why.
Taking some of Rebel and putting that underneath her eye.
This is the final look.
So the camera died and we had to finish it all off camera because Siobhan has to go very soon. And she hasn't seen it yet, so let's get her reaction. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is definitely something I wouldn't wear. Whoa. Whoa. The eyelashes look way different to what I thought they would.
Do you like it?
I do. I do.
So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to go follow Siobhan on everything. The links will be in the description below. If you want your makeup done by me for something, email me. Email in the description. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see all you beautiful people in the next one.
Bye. Bye.